So, you've been in the industry for quite a while then. What is it that you enjoy about the industry? I mean, facility management I didn't know anything about the industry until I actually entered HVAC industry. And the more I learned about it, I'm like, this is nuts.
And I'll tell you what, Javier, we should talk about that a little bit. I do want to answer your specific question, but you just hit on something that is I'm working on right now with Connects. I'm actually running for the board for Connects right now, and one of my kind of platform items is that issue, and that is that there are tremendous opportunities out there for young, talented people that have no idea about our space.
Yep.
They're going to college right now and getting a great education in engineering or project management or business development, or they're out there getting an education, and they're going to come out into the world and apply for jobs, and they have no idea that our space exists where they could come and work for some of the biggest brands in the world and work in an area that it never even occurs to them that those brands have entire divisions dedicated to facility management.
Yeah.
And it's fast. You talk about the things that young people want: fast-paced, exciting, problem-solving, travel. You got all these cool elements about what we do. People, no day's the same. No 2 days are the same.
Yep.
Multitasking, the things that you would think a college student would list as all the things that they, want to get out of their career. And we have it to offer, and nobody knows about it. And we've got to do a better job as an industry to make young people aware that this is a great opportunity for them. And I wish I could say those are the reasons I got into this, but I didn't.